Greetings, greetings. Yes, you know it's your farmer man, your favorite Rasta farmer, the Crocus bag farmer. And the mission today is I'm going to make a raised bed right here with these tree logs right here that was cut down from my neighbor's tree. I'm going to raise the bed because the water is coming off the rooftop over here, as you see, right? And it's just running off the back. So I'm going to just create a raised bed so we can, you know, have some a location that's suitable for farming. So just stick with me, the Crocus bag farmer, and I'm just gonna quickly show you what's going on here, okay? Bless. I love me farming from evening till the morning. Greetings, greetings. You know it's the Crocus bag farmer, Rastafari soldier, your favorite Rasta man that's farming here. I'm here in the back of the yard and I'm going to create a raised bed with some tree logs here. I'm down here in South Florida just designing up a quick backyard project for you to see. So stick with me. Remember to hit the subscribe button if you like farming from evening till morning. It's your favorite Rasta farmer, Rasta soldier. Yes, me love me farming from evening till morning. Blessings. You know it's another farming lesson. Remember to hit that red subscribe button, okay? Yes. So listen people, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to dig a little trench so you could sink the logs halfway in the ground, and that's going to take care the securing the log so the log don't move. Once the rain come and wash the dirt, it will secure it back in place, and I'm gonna display it right here for you. The great thing with making a raised bed, it provides you with extra soil for your garden. So you just dig it and throw it back in the garden. Throw it uphill because the water is going to come and wash it down here. Like I said, you're just going to dig a trench in accordance to how you want it. And you're going to put the logs in it. Just like that. Right? Now I'm digging it this big because the logs are obviously big. Actually, I'm going to turn the smaller side uphill. Perfect. Now drop the other piece in here. There we go. So you're trying to seal it basically. So when the water comes, washes there. Same thing here. This one has a little curve. And you can start throwing the dirt back in next to it now, once you have some of them done, you know. in now with the dirt. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, there it is. Took me a few minutes, a beautiful raised bed. Now I could throw some some garden soil in it and plant up around it. And I'm going to do that and show you what and how it turned out. These up here now, I'm going to have to move to another location, create another raised bed. I'm probably going to bring them up front and create another raised bed. But right now, I feel good because I've always wanted to put some wood chips on the back here and the side. So now I could actually go ahead and do that, you know. Yeah, I'm loving it. It's coming along. Just wanted to show you how I make a raised beds out of some tree trunks. Yes, you're watching the Crocus Bog Farmer, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, your favorite Rasta man. I just went ahead and, you know, created a raised bed out of some tree trunks. Right there you see behind me. And I'm just showing you, you know, you could garden, you could farm anywhere you at. Yeah, so that's why I said, you know, I love farming from evening till the morning. You're looking at my beautiful, beautiful yam trees on vines right there. This is my coconut right here that I planted. And I actually have a couple more coconut trees that I'm going to transplant in a few. Because, like I said, my neighbor just came and cut down the ackee tree next door. And that's where I got these piece of trunks. I didn't want them to just cut them up and get rid of them when I'm thinking about farming. I'm thinking about farming. So if you see some tree trunks, like your neighbor cutting down tree trunks and they need some help moving them, you could actually use them, make a raised bed, just like I show you. Dig the ground down halfway the size of the trunk and just let it sit in it. And I'm gonna keep up with you. Remember to hit that red subscribe button if you love farming from evening till the morning. It's your favorite Rastaman farming. Yeah, I'm down here in South Florida right now. Bless.